Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can increase text size in your Windows 11. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your settings of your PC, for which you can click on this option Windows right here. And after you have clicked on that option here, you can see the option of settings. You can simply just click on it and open it. But if you don't see settings around in here, you can simply go to the search bar and then start typing settings. So here you can see after you have typed that down, this is the settings option. You can simply just open it. And after opening the settings app here, you will be able to see the option of system on the left right here. Click on it. And then here you can see the option of display right here. Click on it. And then you will be able to see the option of scale right here. Click on this option, and then in here you can see the option of text size. Click on in here, and after doing so here you can see this scale right here. You can simply just increase your text size like this and however you like. I'm going to put it around 134%, and in order to set it, all you have to do is click on the option apply right here. And in here you can see all of your text sizes in here has been increased, and like this you can increase the text size on your Windows PC. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.